So I'm not seeing anything that says, create new workflow. So what should I do?
So the new rule button is actually creating a new workflow. And what that means when it says new rule is you're going to set up a set of criteria that'll cause this to happen.
Okay.
So
the trigger, basically.
It's basically, there's another thing in Salesforce called a trigger, which is why I'm trying to steer away from that. But a trigger is just a workflow made of code.
Okay.
So what we're doing right now is we're creating a situation that will only fire when a certain set of criteria is made, and that's why it's called a rule.
Okay.
And so in this case, let's say this is going to be on the maintenance ticket object, because it's going to be when a maintenance ticket is created, that's when we're going to fire this rule.
So maintenance ticket, next. All right, so I guess I'll call the rule alert technician.
Okay.
And I want to evaluate the rule when a record is, what does this mean, evaluate the rule?
So it's only going to run this rule when you...
The rule means the workflow, the series of steps.
Exactly.
Okay.
So in this case, what we're going to eventually do is send an email and a task to a technician.
Okay.
But this is asking, when should we do that? Should we do that every time a maintenance ticket is created, every time it's created, and every time it's edited? Or every time it's created and it meets this rule criteria
So
down
it's
here?
edited, but it's edited in a certain way.
If it didn't meet the criteria first, and then it meets this rule criteria after it's been edited, fire it.
Gotcha.
So in this case, I think we would want the last of the three, which
Sure.
is every time it's created and if it's edited to then meet this
Right.
criteria.
Like, I wouldn't want to send an email or try to send an email if the technician didn't have a valid email address or something like that.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to run the rules the following criteria are met. So if the technician has an email address, is what I'm going for.
Right.
Okay. So I see maintenance ticket technician, but I really want the email field.
Yep.
But I don't see that here. Should I just click technician, or what am I doing wrong?